Hey, welcome back to Osborne Insider, where you can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. One of our most popular dining table legs is the Chatham leg, part 1132. As you can see, this leg is a fairly simple turn design with a substantial top block, which makes it incredibly versatile. Not only will this leg work beautifully on a dining table project, but it can also be used to create a hutch, desk, vanity, and more. This leg has a 29-inch height, which is standard for dining table and desk designs. It is 3 inches wide at the top and tapers to a 1 1/4 width at the bottom. The 15-inch top block allows you to easily incorporate a table skirt, shelves, drawers, and more into your build. Underneath the top block is an elegantly curved base with subtle round details. These carvings give the leg a classic yet contemporary look. We offer this stylish table leg in a wide range of wood species, including alder, cherry, knotty pine, black walnut, Spanish cedar, and more. Each leg is sanded to 150 grit and ready for finishing. Depending on the wood type you choose, you can apply a paint or stain of your choice for a custom look. Thank you for joining me for this Osborne Insider. If you would like to stay updated with our newest content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.